Hi everyone. So today we'll see how you can generate the QR code using Canva for free, right? Let's get started. So first you have to go to canva.com. All right. So once you log in with Canva, the left side you can see here create button. Just click on that. And then in the left side, you can take a custom size, which is recommended is 500 into 500 pixels. All right. Then you click on the create a new design. After that, you have to go to apps and the search here the QR code. All right. So after searching, you can see here QR code. Click on that. And whatever the URL that you want to add, you can add. Example, now I'm going to add my YouTube channel URL. All right. Just go here, add your YouTube channel and generate the code. So you can see it is generated. Same way, even you can add your locations also. For example, so our Indras Academy Marathahalli location, if I wanted to add, I can click this share button and then take this URL and I can also add that as well, right? Click the update the code, right? So this is how you can create the QR code and even you can adjust it like this also. All right. So after creating, you can go ahead and download it from here. Download. All right. So you can see that this is how you can generate the QR code in Canva for free.